Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Partybox 1000 and you are trying to figure out how to use the wristband to play sound effects and to control the light patterns. So as you know, there's several different light patterns that you have on this speaker, and then also you can play two different sound effects using this wristband. So it's really easy to do with your wristband on, making sure you have proper batteries and everything like that. And basically when you turn it on, it will automatically pair with the speaker. So there's three things you can do. We can play sound effect 1 on the speaker, and how we do that is we just come in with our wristband on. We're just going to come in and we're going to clap twice. And that will play sound effect 1. Now, if we want to play sound effect 2, then we just have to shake the wristband. So basically, we're just going to have it on our wrist, and we're going to do it 4 times. We're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, like kind of 4 fist pump type shakes, and that will play sound effect 2. And then, if we want to switch light patterns, all we need to do is kind of in a counterclockwise motion. We're just going to do like a circle. Just rotate in a circle, like this. And this will change the light patterns. So that's how you do the control things with that wristband. If it worked for you, please let me know. And if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.